guys, so the makeup is done. Do you guys like it? I think it's too much.
What's wrong for you? So you don't show me.
Hi guys! My photo shoot is done. Can you see me? Am I not looking good? Ooh, ah. You'll see the pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me, just go and follow me. Okay? Well, photo shoot is all done. Thank you to my creative director. Show your stare. And the executive photographer, Austin Matthias. Go follow him on Instagram.
Yay.
So yeah, that's it. We're going to head home now and relax because I am tired. Okay? See you! Hey guys, so I'm back home. If you thought that was my hair, well, it was an afro puff. So I'm honestly back home. I'm feeling so unmotivated. For the past 2 weeks now, I haven't done any editing. Like, I haven't touched that computer in 2 weeks. So hopefully I get back into it and get something done. But the girl that did my makeup, she really tried. Other than my brows are too thick, like too big. I think the rest of the makeup was good. I changed the bronzer, toned down the lips a little bit, added more highlights, but all in all, it's not bad. Her name, if you're in Bielsa, her name is House of Calculus. I'll link her in the description box if you want to do your makeups. Okay? Good morning guys. So I know I look crazy. My hair is dripping wet. I just washed my hair, so it's Saturday morning, by the way, so I want to go and get braids done. I don't know how it's going to look like. I have the idea in my head and on YouTube, but I don't know how it's going to look, so wish me luck. I will try and show you guys how I'm doing the hair, okay, if I even remember to pick up the camera. But yeah, that's how we are looking on this Saturday morning. I think there's sanitation, but I don't care. I'm just gonna go. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So we finally finished the hair last night, but we haven't trimmed it and put it in hot water, which is like the exciting part. So yeah, it was so long. It's Sunday today and I'm about to head to church. This is how I normally look to church, like zero makeup. I really can't be bothered. I don't know if I should talk to you guys about this. Like, please honestly tell me, What do you do when your parents are sincerely annoying you? Like, I'm so upset right now. My mom has just been annoying me since yesterday, and the thing is, I don't want to talk. If I talk nice, and I'll be like I'm rude or something. So I decided to just keep quiet and squeeze my face. You know, that's I deserve the right to be able to squeeze my face because I'm angry. But no, even that one is a problem. Like, how dare you squeeze your face? How dare you even make a face? Like, what do you want me to do? I'm angry. I need to show you some kind of emotion. If I can't speak, at least let me squeeze my face now. Like, parents, and sometimes they're just very annoying. How do you guys deal with it? Like, do you sit your parents down and say, okay, look, this is what you did. I didn't like it. I do that sometimes with my dad, but my mom is on a different level. I don't know, she's very emotional. I don't want to break her heart or something. So I just end up keeping quiet and just boning, like, you know. But even that one safe is a problem. So I really don't know. How do you guys deal with, like, when your parents are really annoying? What do you do? I'd like to know, really. Help me out. But anyways, I'm ready to go to church. I'm wearing this shirt that says, I know the plans that I have for you. I'll show you guys the finished look with my hair when it's all done. Hopefully it turns out how I saw it and how I had it in my head. But yeah, this vlogging thing, I don't know how I feel about it, but we'll see how it goes, if this even makes it to YouTube. But anyways, have a lovely Sunday if you're going to church or whatever, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's the 1st of July, so I'm going to go to church for a quick first of the month service, and then I'll head on to the gym and do other things. So I just wanted to come in and check with you guys. Do you guys go to church on the 1st of every month? It's a normal thing in Nigeria, but yeah, I don't know where you guys are, but we do it here. So I'm already late. I'm just gonna head to church this morning, and I'll bring you guys to the gym maybe and show you guys a few of the things that I do. Okay, see you later. Bye. With the jogging, and I had to jog around this whole place 3 times, and I walked around once, and trust me, it's really big. So yeah, all done. About to go into the gym to do some abs and bum workouts. So that place is really dark, but I'll see if I can get some footage from inside there. Okay, I have to go now because it's calling me.
Leg, look at her leg. Yes. Okay, jumping jack, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
photo shoot. Please come, look at Auntie. Yes. What do you want? What do you want? What's that? Ants. Throw it away. That one now, don't carry pure water. I better shift. Oh god. Your up shoulder. Look at your up shoulder. My please come. My please come.
She's so far when you're looking at her like
the auntie. Oh my please come. Lady in red. This is such a struggle. Realities of a child model. Snap one picture, we eat one bottle. Hey guys, here's my birthday cake. Lots of chocolate. I also have this one. Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here and say hello. I will show you guys my hair when it's all done. Trust me, it's gonna look better than this. I'm gonna add some beads and all. But you know, I'm just feeling my freshness, you know. Come on, open your face. Say hello to my.
Happy birthday.
Ooh, thank you. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me, but we've just finished with the conversations with Kemela. It was an event that was done here in Bielsa for like Bielsa creatives to have conversations with those in power. So like the politicians, that we get to ask whatever we want to ask. It was nice, it was very informative. The guy is, he was alright, he was smart, he answered some good questions, so that was good. I think it's a good thing to bridge the gap between like the politicians up there and, you know, like the people. So it's a good thing, and I hope that they have more of this. I met some amazing people, so that was nice. But yeah, so I'm just headed back to my car now. And I'm going to go home. So yeah, this vlogging thing has been a struggle, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye. Ooh, guys, do you like my hair? I put some beads and everything, and I've got so many compliments on my hair today. I'll show you guys in a proper video later, but here's how we're looking. Okay. Bye. Skin is popping as well. Ooh, okay, bye. Hey guys, so I am at the gathering, the program that I told you guys I was gonna come to, and guess what? They haven't started. I was super early. But anyways, this place looks cool. Like I feel like I'm in some kind of resort or something. It's really cool. Places like this will say we don't allow camera, but hopefully they do. I can show you guys around, but it's really beautiful. Let me show you guys. There's that thing there. I think it's supposed to be a waterfall, but yeah. That's my like. That's a table tennis thing. Yeah, so it's just a sitting area. I'm just sitting here and just waiting. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the program to start, and I'm very hungry. I skipped breakfast, so they are better. The program are better be good, and they are better chef food because I'm hungry. Okay, very hungry. All right. You gave me key? You gave me key! Where's mine? He doesn't think I'm creative. That's why he doesn't give me.
Why would you say that? No, look at the available. She ordered for a particular color. Hey guys.
And if you don't look where you don't know.
No, it's just today. Usually I don't
Hi guys, this is Austin.
This guy is a scam, a fraud,
I'm not a scam.
and a rotten guy.
Well, you know when I do a job for it.
That's all I'm gonna say.
I know.
If you see him on the road, take off.
Please, you guys follow.
He's a bad guy.
Catherine Swan, the best YouTube channel in Nigeria.
I don't care. You're still a fraud.
Sorry?
You're still a fraud.
No, I'm not a fraud.